Well, I learned something today on a chuck on a lathe. I could not get my lathe to turn right in the last video I did. And the reason why was I didn't know this until I went and looked at YouTube. Every time I chuck the lathe up, I would have a gap in the between the material and the jaws. So I got to looking and I went to YouTube and looking around. You'll notice the wear and tear on these jaws. The one in the middle has got more wear on the other one than the other two. And what that was doing was every time I cinched it up, it would throw it out of sync. And this morning I worked on a piece for a long time, and I started drilling it, and it messed it up. I'll show y'all. Because I was trying to build something for my kick pedal. Where's it at? Oh, here it is. So here's the piece I was working on. Let me get it out of the light so you can see it. Anyway, if you'll notice, I'm just trying to figure out how to do this. I can't get the light in here, it's messed up. Yeah, you can pretty much see there. See how one side's wider than the other? Because the stock and the chuck was off. So it was drilling it crooked. And so all I had to do was drill that out for the one to go through it. I was building like a spacer. And then that happened. So then I got to investigating. And it was off like 20 thousandths or something. So then I got on YouTube and got to looking. And so I looked and looked, and I was going to order some jaws, and I came out here. So I got a bunch of spare parts and stuff down there. Old chuck. Here's an old Here's a 4-way chuck. Them things are kind of pain to adjust. I haven't messed with this stuff since I was 18 years old. So I'm having to learn all this stuff, and I'm having to learn this lathe, because this lathe is a 1947 Montgomery Powercraft. It runs off a belt, and there's the gears. And you adjust the speed by changing these two over here. Like if I want to adjust the speed, I'll move this arm back, move this belt to here, move this belt to here, and it will run in a slower speed. Then you push this back, maybe pull this back. So anyway, I found some more chucks, jaws, down here in my pile, and cleaned them up real good, greased my chuck real good, cleaned everything up. And so I put it back together with these other jaws. Let me see. So right now, okay, looks like it's off about 1,000th and 1,000th that way. Let me move this thing around. This thing is so touchy. Okay. So 1,000ths and a half that way. Looks like it's getting into 3/1000. Don't quit touching it. So it's off probably about 2,000, which is really, really good. I'm gonna order some new jaws. They'd be even better then. But that's what it is. I love this little lathe. I got it, cleaned it up. I've had it for a good while now. Just cleaned it up, repainted it a little bit, and I've really been enjoying playing with it. But anyway, if anybody got any suggestions on how to make it run more truer, holler at me. Thank you for watching, and I'll do something different. I'll get back on making something again. Try to finish my spacers up. All right, see y'all later. Bye.